Good morning from Seoul Foreign School in Seoul, South Korea. My name is Calvin Campice, and I've been an IB educator for 8 years now, teaching and examining DP Business Management for 8 years, a few years of teaching DP Economics and Theory of Knowledge. I've also taught MYP individuals and societies for 5 years. For my application to be a workshop leader, I think an intro activity that would help IB educators in any of the category workshops would be to remind them of or introduce them to the IB learner profile and to connect it to their lives and their teaching. I also want the attendees to feel comfortable sharing with each other and connecting with me as a leader. This is actually very similar to an activity I've done before with my students as well. I'd have each attendee explore the list of the 10 traits of the IB learner profile, which are actually right here behind me, and contemplate which attribute they connect with the most. I would also ask the attendees to provide an anecdote related to the learner profile trait they chose from their own lives. I would model this and then have them share a trait in their own group and also share their anecdotes. Then, I would ask the attendees to stand by one of the aspects of the IB learner profile that they would like to focus on implementing in their classroom. These would be posted around the classroom, and I would ask the attendees to spread out so that all the aspects are being covered. In these groups, I would have the attendees again share their anecdotes so they can feel comfortable with their new group. Then I would have the attendees, using IB material, discuss what exactly this attribute is all about and how they could implement it into high-quality education that they themselves could carry out. I believe that this activity does several things well. As a mission statement in action, the learner profile is vital to the IB philosophy of education. This activity allows for a reminder or introduction to this core aspect of the IB. It also allows attendees to really apply it to their own lives and their teaching. As mentioned before, it also allows for the attendees to get to know each other better and to get to know me well. This would really help develop internationally minded educators who recognize our common humanity and shared guardianship of the planet to help create a better and more peaceful world. This is also made possible through a worldwide learning of community of like-minded educators who would learn more about the IB through this workshop. Thank you.